Draw the labeled diagram of human eye and explain the image formation. This is the picture of human eye. This human eye is like a camera. This part is called crystalline lens. This is called aqueous humor. This part is pupil. This is iris and this is called cornea. These two parts are called ciliary muscles. This part is called retina. This is optic nerve and this is vitreous humor. The human eye is like a camera. Its lens system forms an image on a light-sensitive screen called the retina. Light enters the eye through a thin membrane called the cornea. It forms the transparent bulge on the front surface of the eyeball. The eyeball is approximately spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.3 cm. Most of the refraction for the light rays entering the eye occurs at the outer surface of the cornea. The crystalline lens merely provides the finer adjustment of focal length required to focus object at different distances on the retina. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. The pupil regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. The eye lens forms an inverted real image of the object on the retina. The retina is a delicate membrane having enormous number of light-sensitive cells. The light-sensitive cells get activated upon illumination and generate electrical signals. These signals are sent to the brain via the optic nerves. The brain interprets these signals and finally processes the information so that we perceive objects as they are. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.